I am in Lakeland, Florida for Free Play 2023. Really loud, but let's check out some of the sights. This place is awesome. I can't wait to see some of the panels, the merch that they have here. Alright, is it just me? Or these old style spring-loaded plungers? Something retro about them I just love. So, John, or do you prefer Dr. Eggman or Robotnik?
I'll call me whatever you like.
Alright. Wanted to ask you, last chance to play one of your favorite games of all time, what would that game be?
Here?
Anywhere, in life. Last game you get to play before you die.
The last game I get to play before I die would be Animal Crossing because it never ends.
That's a great answer.
That is I'll live forever.
Awesome answer. Thank you, sir.
My pleasure.
Oh man, this is so chunky and slow. Oh boy, yeah, there's no hope for me there. Alright, they don't have my favorite shooter in here, but I do remember playing Area 51 and loving it. What's your favorite shooter? Tell me. Of course, now I'm sucking. Power up. Oh, I almost shot her. Alright, not bad. I shot one of my own soldiers who had her cleavage out. I was distracted. Oh well. Okay, this one I never heard of, but I gotta say, getting old sucks. I'm getting carpal tunnel. I'm more of a pinball guy myself anyway. Ooh, Star Trek, I gotta try that. Well, the flippers aren't working. Alright, so we asked Eggman over here. Bert, last game you get to play.
Super Mario. That's the costume talking. My personal game, Double Dragon, arcade version.
Oh, good choice.
I cut my teeth on that game. I own that game. I can 1cc that game. And I never get tired of it. Never get tired of that game.
I never beaten that game, so I applaud you, sir.
My favorite arcade game, Double Dragon.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Alright. Space Invaders, everyone's heard of. Quicks? I've never heard of Quicks. Okay, I don't Really? Okay, I died. I don't think I'm playing this right. Let's see now. All right. Oh, no, I can't go back. I can't go up. I can't get down. Can I fire? I can't fire. Oh, I'm dead. I shouldn't have to research how to play a game. I love how they have all 4 Mortal Kombat games all ready to go. Oh my god. The Mega cartridge from the Master System. Jeez, that was the first video game console I ever owned because my parents didn't know the difference between a Sega and a Nintendo. Ice cold beer. I don't know what kind of game this is. Let's try it. Alright, so hopefully this isn't 2 controllers. Oh man, I think it is. Oh shoot, it is 2. You do need 2 controllers for it. Alright, let's give this a try. Alright, so come down there. We're gonna, okay. I assume I have to get it into that. Hey, there we go. You know what I love about this place? Every time I come around a corner, there's some game I've either... Wait, is this game Green Beret or Russian Attack? I do remember playing this before, but that's the thing about this place. Like, every time I turn a corner, it's a game I haven't played in years or never heard of. What?
But a lot of history with that too. But you and I have talked about this a couple of times. I'm going to pass this microphone over to you, but you've got videos that I know that have got thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of views. But then you put on another one that you put like your heart into, and you get much less. Can you kind of go into that a little bit?
So yeah, YouTube is the most ungratifying hobby to have.
So, have anyone in the audience that is a YouTuber or has thought about becoming a YouTuber?
Few? Yep.
Oh, everyone's hand went up. You're a YouTuber.
I just want to hang out.
Right over here. Your hand went up. Are you okay to participate in something with us?
Sure.
Come on up here, sir. I'm going to hand this to you. Do not open it yet. Here's what we're going to do. This is going to be great for these YouTubers because none of them fall into this category. Have we all seen unboxing videos before?
Yes.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
You are role-playing here. You're a YouTuber. You have just accepted an endorsement deal here to do an unboxing video for a company. It is a high-end company, and you are opening this on your video on a live stream, so you can't cut away, and you have 1 minute to convince people that the piece in your envelope is amazing and they need it.
All right. Hey, what's up? It's That Weekend Warrior, and this is my first ever unboxing live. So let's see what the sponsor sent us. I'm reaching in, and it is I See Life Creatures. Oh my gosh. So when I was a little kid, we used to go to SeaWorld, and the only place you could find these was at SeaWorld. I have so much nostalgia for it. And this one is not like the others. It used to have some that you could put a little bit of water in, you could squirt it. It was a lot of fun in the bath time, not in a creepy way, but in a fun way.
All right, the next one up, John.
That'd be me.
Take us away, sir.
All right.
Remember, say your channel and everything as you get going.
That's fine. All right, feeling you got John Riggs here. Let me tell you something. Holy moly, are you kidding me on this? I could not believe when it came around with the phone stand. If you're super fancy, you can call it the cabinet phonique Telephonique, as it says on here. The problem is, see, here's how efficiently lazy I am. Everyone else has these nice cameras, lighting equipment and all that. I literally film my videos in my kitchen using my cell phone, and if I can do it, anybody can do it. I can't just be holding my phone all the time because I'll be showing what's going on here. So something like this, again, put it in your back pocket, go to conventions, film everything, post it, you'll be good to go. And if you need one for yourself, code JohnRiggs50, you're saving 50% right now. Make it happen. Check out
All right, everyone. Thank you for checking out Greg's game room. I appreciate you watching. Now, the other day, I got this really awesome package here. They emailed me and contacted me, and they said, "Hey, you know what? If you do a really great review of this, we will send you a check for $5,000." I said, "You know what? I got to do it. Let's see what the heck that they sent us here." And this is a magic towel. Magic towels, survey. Can I open this?
You can,
I wonder
it's
if I
yours.
can open this thing here.
If you can.
If I can open it here on screen. There we go. Let's see what this thing is here.
Do we have some water to activate that?
Actually, I can pour my Coke on it here, and that would be great. So anyway, it's a magic towelette. We'll throw some water on it, and it expands, and it is this. It is. Expands the water. Well, it's going to take me a while to make this thing expand. But anyway, let's see if I can read on this, because I can't read the back of this. It's so small, microscopic. Fiber content, do not put in your mouth.
All right, I'm going to pass this over. Have fun, sir.
And thanks for playing. Oh, thank you.
Very good.
All right, thanks, folks. Check it out. I'm SkipperBob. Follow me on SkipperBob's Breakdowns, and I've got a blind pull that I got from Free Play Florida. Let's check this out because Lord knows I'm kind of worried about what's in here. Or should I? We've got iron-on transfers. Transfer of Frappru. I am not French. This looks like a unicorn sloth with butterflies. This is adorable. I absolutely love this. I love sloths. They're like the most majestic creature on the planet. So yeah, why not a unicorn inbred? Sure. Check this out. I will give this away to the next subscriber in the next day or two. So check it out, and also check out my Patreon at some point, and then subscribe. Guys, thanks for checking this out. I love this. It's very colorful. I'm probably going to get several copies of this and put it all over my body.
Okay.
Can we just say, by the way, that
Awesome
was a
job.
fantastic job.
Thank you, Bob. You rule.
Then it comes back to me. First, let's talk about the packaging. That's it. All right, let's see what's inside. Oh, it feels cool. Oh, it's Cool Ranch Doritos Bath Bomb. I love the fact that Ryan knows how much I love ranch dressing. It's one of my favorite things.
What Brandon's not telling you is that he's actually phobic of ranch. Like, if you eat ranch in the same building, he may kick you in the face.
Does anyone want a half-eaten towelette?
That is going to do it for my time here in Lakeland for Free Play Florida 2023. Guys, that was a lot of fun. That last panel, that was entertaining. Maybe I should be on a panel one day. I mean, Lord knows I do have the experience with all kinds of fields. Guys, thanks for watching. That was a lot of fun. Another hit, just like it was every year. Go ahead, do the deal. Like and subscribe. And I'll be doing something else like this sometime down the road.